Next, I'll teach you how to record the fingerprint for this lock. First, for fingerprint unlocking, press and hold the finger on the sensor without releasing it. Wait until the blue light turns on. OK, now release. Then, use the finger you want to register and press it on the sensor from multiple angles. The green light indicates it's time to switch to the second finger. Press multiple times. This means the fingerprint has been successfully recorded. Unlocking will be smooth. Next, I'll show you how to record a third fingerprint or more. Press and hold the finger. Make sure the green light recognizes it correctly. If the fingerprint isn't clear, try a different finger. Again, press from multiple angles. This means the fingerprint has been successfully recorded. The third fingerprint is not complete.